Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, going to show you how you can add font in Canva in two ways. So first up, just need to remember that to upload or add the font on Canva, you need to make sure that you are subscribed into Canva Pro. So if not, and if you're using Canva Free, you just need to click on the plans and pricing right there at the top and basically upgrade your Canva account. Now, once your Canva is upgraded to Canva Pro, you just need to click on the brand right here. So this is the first way on how you can add the font. And here on brand kit, basically, if you're going to click on setup your brand kit and scroll down, you'll find all of the fonts right here. You can basically edit some fonts or title, as you can see right from here. Now, if you want to add a new font, basically click on this add new button right there at the top right, and then click on upload a font. And here, just click to choose files, and basically just need to open your folder and upload font from your computer. Now, the second way here to actually add a font or upload a font on your Canva is when you create a design. So for example here, if you're going to add a font, so just click on text, and from here, if you're going to type hello, and then basically click on this drop down menu, and here you'll find all of the available fonts that you can basically use. Now here at the bottom, you'll find upload a font. So basically if you're going to click on this one, you're going to choose any of the fonts that you downloaded from your computer and upload it on Canva. So yeah, that's the two ways on how you can add fonts in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.